Oshkosh adventure has been a memorable one. We're only halfway into it, because after 4 days of aviation stimulus overload, it was finally time to pack up and begin the journey back to Los Angeles.
4 Romeo, line up and wait for my Q7 right side.
Alright, let's do this. Goodbye, Oshkosh. Hey guys, how's it going? So, departing runway 27 in Oshkosh. Wasn't too crazy, seemed really organized. First stop is Mason City, Iowa. We're gonna go there. About an hour 45 away. We're gonna go there, fill up with gas, maybe have a proper breakfast or something, and we're gonna try to make it to Grand Junction, Colorado tonight. That's the plan, until it isn't our plan.
Mason City traffic, Grumman Tiger turning final 18, Mason City.
Hey guys, how's it going? So a little change of plans now. We're on the ground here in Mason City, Iowa. We initially came here to stop for just some fuel and a quick bite to eat, and then we're gonna head off to Scottsbluff, Nebraska. But a storm has built up about 80 miles west of here, and it's just blocking our path completely, just running north to south for like a couple hundred miles. So we're gonna just wait it out here. Hopefully we'll be back up in the air in about an hour and a half.
Alright, so super quick fuel stop at Ainsworth, Iowa. We did that, we filled up. Heading off to Scottsbluff. It's about an hour and 15 minutes away. And we'll settle there for the night. Kind of beautiful, beautiful countryside. Got haystacks, tractors. I don't know. I can appreciate this. About 6 minutes out from landing at Scottsbluff, Nebraska. We just had a beautiful sunset. And Denver Center, 244 Echo Romeo, beginning of VFR descent. We've got the airport in the distance.
7244 Echo Romeo. Roger, radar services are terminated. Spot VFR. First exchange is approved, and we'll talk to you later. Have a good night, 4 Echo Romeo. Scottsbluff traffic, white blue Grumman, 7 miles to the east. We'll be entering left downwind for 12.
After another great day of flying, it was time, of course, for a little Scottsbluff nightlife and a couple of cold beers. Our right magneto had been running a little rough upon arriving to Scottsbluff the night before. As a precaution, we wanted a local mechanic to have a look. So still on the ground at Scottsbluff, Nebraska on Friday morning. We did have the magneto issue, but I met with a mechanic here this morning and seemed to be fine, and he believes it's just the spark plugs that need to be cleaned and gapped. So we're here at his hangar here at Valley Air Services and remove the cowling to reach the lower spark plugs. Gonna clean and gap them, do another mag check when we're done, and hopefully get out of here.
So we're leveled off at 10,500. We departed Scottsbluff about 30 minutes ago, heading southwest. We're en route to Page, Arizona, which is about a 4-hour flight. So the main thing we need to look out for on this leg of the flight is thunderstorms. It's the desert and it's hot, so it happens. I'm fairly optimistic we're going to get to Page without too much problem. Hey guys, how's it going? So we're about an hour and a half from Page, Arizona. Threading the needle between two thunderstorms. Not a thin needle. We've got space here to play, but we got one big guy over here to our right side. And we've got another little guy ahead of us about 11 o'clock. Seems like I think he's slowly dissipating. Guys, so we're descending into Page. It's been a long flight, a lot of storms to maneuver around, but we're 7 minutes out.
Page traffic, white blue Grumman turning right base 33 Page. Traffic, blue white Grumman, clear the runway.
White blue Grumman, do you have a preferred FBO today?
Yeah, classic aviation, please.
Alright, so I'm sitting in the crew car at Classic Aviation here in Page, Arizona. We just had some food and literally, some serious lightning over here. We landed about 15-20 minutes before a thunderstorm rolled through, and we saw that coming. We kind of timed it pretty good. And now the rain's coming down pretty good. It's so I don't know, we're just gonna sit here and hopefully it'll pass over in like 15-20 minutes, and then we'll be on our way. It looks pretty good between here and Los Angeles, which is home, so we're almost there. The storm lingered around the area for much longer than I expected. We were beginning to think we might end up having to stay the night in Page. Eventually, the clouds began to clear. And with that, nature left behind a beautiful sign. A sign that it was finally time to get home.
White Blue Grumman, short final 1-2, Wyman.
Flying to Oshkosh had been on my bucket list for several years. And upon completing the trip, I can certainly say that it's given me memories to last a lifetime.